Hello to all partners of ClassClap. I hope everyone is doing well. Today on 11th Foundation of our company, I wanted to reach out to you and send my personal regards. It's our 11th birthday, and what better can it be than celebrating it with our partners. So I'm really glad I'm able to talk to you, and on behalf of my entire team, I am here to share about our journey, about our happiness and our future plans with all of you. Last few months have been really tough for our country, especially for our sector, due to this pandemic COVID-19. And I'm really proud of our team and our partners, how all of us have come together to take forward this journey of education, this mission of education forward. Interestingly, number 11, which is our birthday, is an auspicious number in our culture, and it really means a lot for us that you all have been partner in this journey with us. While this has been a really difficult time for us and for the sector, it's really interesting that how in last few months, two big doors have opened for all of us. And I think it's really important that we make use and utilize and convert this crisis into an opportunity. So today I'm happy to share the progress we have made on these two important things which pandemic has opened up, or this last few months have opened up for all of us. So the number one, which is very obvious, is the openness to technology for all the stakeholders. We know in education we have been talking for last 2 decades now how technology can transform education. But the penetration of technology, the usage of technology by different stakeholders so far has been really no. When pandemic pushed all of us in a corner, it really kind of brought out this fighter spirit in all of us, and the teachers, the schools, the parents, the students, the companies, all of them worked together. And I'm really proud that how we basically use this crisis to convert into an opportunity. And the numbers, the way they are showing up, the way the technology adoption has gone up is really, really encouraging, and it really opens the door for the future. And as you all are aware that IMAX is pretty much the first company in the country which brought the technology-driven, the data-driven personalization for all our students, and basically the curriculum which was driven through technology with Teacher app. And basically that head start really enabled us to reach out to our partner schools. And I'm really proud to report that in last few months, we have trained more than 10,000 teachers on how to conduct engaging online classrooms, engaging online classes for the students. And I'm really committed, and my team is really committed to continue on this journey to be in the forefront of education technology for schools and ensure that we partner with our schools and enable them to prepare for a better tomorrow for our students. The second door which has opened for all of us is NEP 2020. And this really has brought a new era for our students, a better tomorrow for our students. Today I'll talk about the 4 key points which ClassClap believes in, and we've been talking about it and how this will help students to improve their learning outcomes. So number 1 is foundational numeracy and literacy, so the basics of numbers and language. And these are very important for a child to be strong on so that they can learn all other concepts. And as you're aware, IMAX program is the first curriculum in the country with focused child level remedial worksheets for maths and English for our students. Number 2 is the holistic feedback. Feedback should not be limited to total marks or what the grade a child scored in a particular exam. The feedback should be about each concept and each skill and how the child is acquiring. And we are really committed to this data-driven goal for last 11 years, and we will continue to lead our education, lead our schools to this holistic feedback. Number 3, extracurricular should not be separate, it should be integrated, and the activity-based learning should be integrated with the academics. With the way we have implemented Bloom's taxonomy in our books and our curriculum, it ensures that every concept is followed up with an activity and real-life application of what the concept is taught. Last but not the least, now pre-primary has been recognized as a part of the formal school framework with 5+3+3, which you've been hearing about, which now ensures that enough time can be spent on building of pre-skills for students. So So our books, the way they're designed, the curriculum, the way it is designed, talks about pre-numbers and pre-language skills, which really enables better learning in the following years. You can find about all of this on our new and updated website, www.classclap.com. You can find all the resources there and how you can implement it in your school. With these two changes on technology and NEP 2020, I'm really excited about the next decade. These 11 years have brought a lot of success and fortune for us and our company and our partners. We have grown from a very small one-room company to a company which now provides education support in 1500 plus schools and to 500,000 students. And with that, basically, I can be really excited and really hopeful about the next decade and what it's there in store for us. And this journey was not possible without your support, and we will look forward to your continued support in this journey. I wish you all a very healthy and happy year. This next few months will still be very tricky. I request all of you to stay safe and healthy. I request all of you to wear masks and practice social distancing and be really safe. I wish a happy and healthy year once again to you and your loved ones. Thank you from all of us at Class Clap.